Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what ClaimsHero is and how the legal claims platform works. So, let's get started. According to the official ClaimsHero website, ClaimsHero is a legal claims platform and a licensed law firm that helps individuals determine whether they may be eligible to participate in legal claims or some settlements against companies. The website says that the platform uses technology to simplify legal process and connects eligible users with attorneys who can help manage their claims. According to the website, Claim Hero allows users to browse active legal claims and settlement opportunities across a variety of categories, including consumer protection, data breaches, product liability, and other legal matters. The company says each claim includes information about eligibility requirements, estimated completion time, and the legal process involved. You will be able here to explore any illegal claims, as you can see, and also you'll be able to explore settlement claims on their websites. You can view all from the top right if you want to view all the legal claims or all the settlement claims as well, if you might be interested about that. The website also states that the process is designed to be straightforward. So according to the company, users first check whether they may qualify for a partner or a particular claim. You'll have to complete an online questionnaire and submit the requested information. If additional information is required, Claims Hero or its legal partner may contact eligible users as the case progresses. The company also states that the users do not pay any upfront fees and it's only receive payments if the case is successful. So if you believe that you qualify, you'll have to visit Claims Here website and browse through the available legal claims or settlements. Select the claim that you are interested in and review the eligibility requirements carefully. Let's say you are interested in video game and addiction. Just say that. So if you believe you qualify, you'll have to click see if you qualify example. And here you'll have to create an account simply. You can use normal email or Apple account, Facebook or Google. Once you are creating your account, you'll have to verify that you are a human as well. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure you read those, very important. And you should basically have to do an online questionnaire. So you'll have to go through it, all of it, by basically providing the requested information, then review your answers before submitting your claim, and according to the website, you'll receive updates if additional steps or documentations are needed during the legal process. And depending on the claim, the questionnaire may look different from other claims as well. So if you have questions before submitting a claim, at the bottom of each page, you'll find the frequently asked question page, where you can find the answer of a lot of questions. And of course, they have a frequently asked question on specific or specifically for each claim. So you may find one of those questions here that may interest you as an example, and you may want to know the answer for. So I'm just opening as example the answers of this claim that you may be interested of. If you didn't find what you want, you can also hit the contact us option, and basically they'll take you to where you can email them to ask any further question that you may want an answer for. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.